Nakakaawa.
Nakakawa.
Okay, first fight. First game, Pure 16 versus Paulo 5.
Talikod lang yung pula. Wala. Talikod lang wala. 20, 28. Sige, talikod lang. Talikod lang, sir. 5.
All players stuck in. Sa lahat po na may suot ng hikaw, singsing, porceras, kwintas, pakitanggal po ang lahat ng yan at ibigay sa akin dahil may malapit na sanlaan. Wait lang daw. Okay. Jump ball. Paulo 5 ball. Outside. Pure 16 team ball. Inbound number 30, pass to number 21. Tiama, pass to number 22, Shason. Outside. Paulo 5 team ball. Yes. Number 11. Binawa ng bola. Pass to number 20, Ramos. Jump ball. Jump for 2 points. Number 13. Pass to number 21, Tiama. Back to number 13. Pinasa sa ilalim. Corsanian is no good. Nakuha pa rin ang Pure 16, Tiama, pass to number 22, 8 to shoot, 5 to shoot, outside, Paulo 5 team ball. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 20, Ramos. Ramos, time to shoot. Jump shot, no good again. Number 22, Shason. Sumalaksak. Tinira, no good. Paulo 5 team ball. Number 5. Robbery, violation. Inbound, number 30, pass to number 21, back to number 30. Number 30, pinabala ang bola. Pass to number 21, Tiama. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 14. 14 pa lang. Pass to number 5, Lucenio. Luque. Nakuha pa rin number 5 ang bola. Pass to number 4, 3 points.
Basket tayo ha, basket, may foul. Number 20, number 20.
Who's foul? Number 20. First personal foul. Golrano. Pass to number 14, jump shot, no good. Inbound, number 11, pass to number 5. 11 ba yan? Number 14 pa. Outside. Pure 16, team ball. Inbound, number 30, pass to number 14. Pass to number 21, Tiama. Jump shot. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 5. First personal foul. Remaining time, last 6 minutes and 21 seconds. Score 5-2 in favor of Paulo 5. 1 point mula sa tirang puncher. Last 1 shot to puncher. No good. Rebound by number 20. Ramos, pass to number 14. Number 14, pass to number 28. Number 28, jump shot. No good. Rebound in number 30, Garano. Pass to number 22, Shazon. In naman. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 14. First personal foul. No good. Mamaya daw po, mamaya. Last 1 shot to puncher. 1 point. Substitution. Rub. Inbound number 20, pass to number 14.
Wala pang foul yung puti.
Number 14, binaba na ang bola.
Baliktad. Tapos 5-4 na yung score.
Number 28, pass to number 30. Oh, steal. Number 21, pass break to number 22. Shazon. Foul. Counter. Number 14. Second personal foul.
Sat.
Substitution. Rep. Tuck in po tayo. Tuck in. Number 10, Mantos. Tuck in.
Boss, Benji Marcado ba?
No good.
Ano pangalan? Benji Mantos.
Paulo Sigo, team ball.
Ano sa Benji Marcado? Ako,
Number 6, Ponce, dribble the ball. Pass to number 13. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 30. Oh, outside. Paulo Sigo, team ball. Substitution, ref. Substitution, ref. Tuck in. Inbound.
kailangan yung ito yan.
Number 6. Pass. Oh. Troubling violation. Time out. Here 16.
Kasi kung di natin in-start yan, ikaw mong gawin wala.
Okay, dahil naka-appear na sila. Back to the ball. Dahil naka-appear na sila sa kanilang kakampi, back to the ball game! Inbound! Inbound number 08, pass to number 16. Back to number 08. Back to number 16. Pass to number 18. Binigay kay number 12. Number 12. 5 seconds violation. Number 6. Ponce. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 40, pero outside. Same ball. Number 6, Ponce. Pass to number 10. Number 1, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 1 ang bola. Pass to number 40. 10 to shoot. Number 40, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 08, Guerrero. Pass break to number 18, no good. Number 14, Garzañez for 2 points. Numbers going down. Pass to troubling violation. Pass break. Outside. Paldo 5, team ball. Remaining time plus 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Score 5-7 in favor of Pure 16 team. Number 09 pass to number 1. Binigay kay number 40, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ng Pure 16 team ang bola. Number 16, Lutero. Lutero dribble the ball. Pass to number 08. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Steal by number 10. Pass to number 6, Ponce. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 08. Number 08, Guerrero. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Foul. Counter. Number 9, personal foul. One shot to Paltrow. No good. Rebound by number 12. Pure 16 team. Jump shot. No good. Only number 40. Paldo 5 team. Number 40. No good. Number 16. Pass number 08. 10. Time out. Paldo 5 team. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 49 seconds. Score 5-11. 5-10 in favor of Pure 16 team. Ayan. Back to the ball game. Sa championship daw po, lahat daw po naka-black shoes. Kailangan, nagaya raw sa referee. Inbound number 6, pass to number 40. Number 40, binaba na ang bola. Oh, nakuha pa rin ni number 40, Solis. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 18, pass break to number 08, Guerrero. Guerrero, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 20, Ramos. Ramos, sumalaksak, inanga, no good. Rebound by number 01, pass to number 18. Pass to number 16, Lutero. No good again. Same ball. Inbound, number 18. Jump shot ni number 18. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 88. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow. Last one shot to Paltrow. 1 point again. Inbound number 20. Pass to number 6. Number 40, Solis. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 01. Oh. Outside. Paldo 5, team ball. Inbound, number 69, pass to number 6, pass to number 88. Number 88, binigay kay number 40, Solis. Pinangat, no good. Nakuha na ng Pure 16 team ang bola, pass to number 08. Number 08, Guerrero, dribble the ball. Last 20 seconds. Jump shot, no good. Again, no good again. Number 6, Ponce. Last 10 seconds. Troubling violation. Last 9 seconds. Inbound number 01. Pass to number 08. Oh, jump ball. Last 6 seconds. Inbound number 69. Jump ball. Pier 16 team ball. Okay, inbound. Number 08. Pass to number 16. Jump shot. No good. Again, no good. Foul. Number 20. Dalawa daw ang foul. Number 20, second personal foul. Wala raw ka, boss, ah.
Dapat Red Bull eh, pare. Hindi, panalo ng red eh.
Okay. Okay, back to the ball game.
Una ka na meron.
Lagi yung tatandaan, pare. Kahit putas ng karaya, papasakin ka. Inbound, number 28. 28 ba? Oh, 5, 4, 3. Inbound, number 28. Pass to number 09. Back to number 28. Big shot, pero 3 seconds. Violation! Inbound, number 92. Pass to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 4. Back to number 21, Tiama. Back to number 4, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 28, Paldo Cinco team. Pass to number 5. Black. Same ball. Inbound. Super play. Number 28, jump shot. No good. Follow up the number 28. 28 ba 38? 88 for 2 points. Number 92, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 21, Tiama. Tiama dribble the ball. Then to shoot. Number 20, Inama. No good. Rebound by number, foul. Number 20. First personal tackle. Rebound number 5. Number 5 ba? Number 5 pass to number 39. That's to number 5. Pass yun, outside. Here 16 team ball. Inbound number 20 pass to number 21. Number 21. Ginawa na ang bola. Number 21 pass to number 5. Jump shot, no good. Number 4, no good. Rebound by number 4. Number 92, pass to number 20, pass to number 5. No good. Tirang spot. Rebound by number 88. Awali number 5 ang bola. Number 5, big pass. Pass to number 28. Jump shot, no good. Nawali number 30. Number 30. No good. Rebound by number 21. Nakakuha pa rin number 09. Oh, thank you. Troubling violation. Dito sadya. Inbound number 20, pass to number 21. Number 21, binaba na ang bola. Chiyama, dribble the ball. Pass to number 20. Steal by number 28, pass to number 5. Number 5, going 10. Big pass, pass to number 28, shoot back. Back to number 5, oh, 3 seconds, violation. Inbound number 20, pass to number 21. Number 21, sumalaksak, jump shot, nakakuha ng foul. Number 5, second personal foul. Sub out, substitution, rep. Substitution, rep. Oh, mamaya na pala.
Pag-sumot, wait lang. Wala pa. Wala kang saba.
No good. That's one shot to punch, rep.
Bawal pa.
Mamaya. Number 20, Ramos. Pass to number 14, Mercado. Pass to number 09, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 20, pass to number 21. Coach PJ. No good. Rebound by number 21, Tiama Inangat. No good. One number 4. Foul. Number 14. Timeout, Paldo Cinco. Number 14, third personal foul. Ano ba? Pier 16, timeout.
Yung Pier 16.
Wala na pong timeout.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessels. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology.
Inbound number 92, pass to number 14, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 28. Pass to number 6, pass to number 20. Number 20, Ramos. Back to number 28. Back to number 6. Pass to number 30, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 92 ng Pier 16 team. Pass to number 22, Shiazon. No good. For Science, number 14 for 2 points. Inbound number 28. Pass to number 6. Number 6, dribble the ball. Pass to number 09, Nepomuceno. Jump shot. No good. Foul. Number 92. Number 92. First personal foul. Inbound numbers. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 20. 6 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 01. Pass to number 22. Number 22 shots on. Pass to number 92. In the mat. No good. Polvo 5 team ball. Number 6. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Pass to number. Jump shot, no good. Steal by number 6. Remaining time last 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Score 9-16. In favor of Pier 16 team. Foul? Who is foul, ref? Substitution, ref.
First foul, number 1.
Number 01, first personal foul.
Pasok, pasok, pasok.
Substitution. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Sige, pasok po kayo. Substitution. May Pumaseno out. Pasok na. Ayaw pa. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow. Last one shot to Paltrow.
Oh, 3-1, 3-1.
1 point again. Inbound number 30. Pass to number 14. Back to number 30. Number 13, Garano. Pass to number 18. Jump shot. 4-3 points. Number 20, Ramos. Pass to number 6, Ponce. Steal by number 18. Pass to number 14. Corsanes. No good. Tirang layup. Outside. Same ball. Inbound. Okay, number 30, pass to number 22, Shasa. Pass to number 14. Oh, foul. Number 5. Number 5, third personal foul.
Tatlo na yung home, tatlo na yung home. Tatlo na.
Inbound, number 30, pass to number, still by number 5, pass to number 6. Nakuha ni number 20 ang bola. Oh, foul number 18. Number 18.
First foul.
Number 5, pass to number 20, back to number 5. Jump shot. 4-3 point. 2 points lang. For 2 points. Sorry. Number 30, pass to number 22. Pass to number 14, jump shot. No good. Nakuha nila number 22, pass to number 18. Datu on. No good. Dos lang daw, dos. Number 28, Chuback. Pass to number 5. Foul. Number 22. Inbound number 5. Number 5. Napitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 20. Ramos. Inamat. Foul. Counter. Number 29. Foul. Sub daw. Mamaya ka lang, mamaya. Pag pumasok, wala ka sa teacher. No good. Ang tirang ultra. Substitution, rep. Ayan. Inbound, number 30, Colorado. Pass to number 18. Back to number 30. Colorado dribble the ball. Jump shot. For 3 points. Meron pa. Number 10, pass to number 5. Number 5, inaman. No good. Foul. Number 29. Number 29, second personal foul. Substitution. Ayan. Oh. Here's his team ball. Substitution, rep. Pursuit. Timeout, Pogo. 5.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Now, number 30, Gorano. Pass to number 22, Shason. Binababa ang bola. Remaining time last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Score 16-22. Orsañas for 2 points. 16-24 in favor of Pilar 16 team. Sable. Inbound, number 16, pass to number 14. Mercado, steal the number 18. Oh, outside. Gosaban. Number 10, dribble the ball. Pass to number 40, Soli. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 18. Foul. Who's foul? Number 10. Number 10. Rebound number 30, pass to number 22. Number 22 going down. Pass break to number 20. Oh, outside. Paulo Cinco, team ball. Number 28, pass break to number 10. Jump shot, no good. Number 40, no good. Wala ni number 22 ng Pilar 16 team. Shason, pass to number 14, Gonzalez for 2 points. Number 28, last 10 seconds. Number 69, pass to number 40. Jump shot, no good. Gonzalez for 2 points. The end of the second quarter. Score 16.
The Philippines is an archipelago of over 7,000 islands, and shipping is the lifeblood of our nation. Over 3 million TEUs of cargo pass through Philippine ports every year, and a major part of this is serviced by Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. one of the nation's leading domestic cargo carriers. Originally established in 1973 by founder Don Sulpicio Go, Span Asia has, for the last 50 years, helped build the nation's economy by transporting goods from every industry. By moving cargo from centrally located ports into the most distant parts of the country, and by shipping the goods that touch the lives of every Filipino. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation is one of the nation's leading domestic cargo carriers. And our vision is to be our clients' most trusted cargo logistics partner. We deliver consistent value for partners through a reliable, efficient, and easy customer experience in inter-island cargo logistics. And we forge strong relationships with our talents, customers, suppliers, shareholders, and communities by building on the values of integrity and trust. For over 50 years, Span Asia has been guided by the values of its founders and central to its success. The values of integrity, excellence, innovation, and customer centricity. Today, Span Asia offers its customers one of the most significant shipping capacities in the country. Its fleet of 19 cargo vessels is the largest container shipping fleet in the Philippines. All of our vessels are IAX certified with international standards of quality and safety. Span Asia operates in 16 ports nationwide, which cater to up to 90% of all container volume. And our strategically located container yards with efficient warehouse spaces ensure that our clients' cargo are safe and secure. These container yards have a total area of over 200,000 square meters and utilize some of the most up-to-date
Wait.
Luis Benko, 16, pass to number 08. Pass to number 21. Chiama, sumalaksak. Bitawan ng bola, nakuha ni number, still number 12. Pass to number 16, Eterio. Jump shot, no good. Rebound pa rin number 16. Still the number 5. Still number 92. Here 16 here. Pass to number 16, pass to number 08. Guerrero dribble the ball. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 28, pass to number 20. Number 5. Pass to number 13. Jump shot. Number 16, binaba ang bola. Pass to number 22, 21, pass to number 08, jump shot for 2 points. Boss na time. Binaba ang bola. Jump shot for 2 points. Rebound, number 12, pass to number 16. Number 16, binababa ng bola. Pass to number 08, Guerrero. Dribble the ball. Guerrero, jump shot, no good. Outside, Poldo Singo, team ball. Inbound number 20, pass to number 5, pass to number 14. Boss Atan. Boss Atan, dribble the ball. Pass to number 28, Chuback. Binigay kay number 30. Number 30, pass to number 20. Outside. Number 16, team ball. Inbound, number 08, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 21. Chiyama. Binigay sa ilalim, pass to number 92. Oh, 3 seconds. Violation. Inbound, number 5, pass to number 14. Bosatan. Bosatan, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 5. Jump shot, no good. Only number 30, pass to number 5 again. Jump shot again, no good again. Number 16, pass break to number 08, Guerrero, no good. Nakuha ni Bosatan ang bola. Number 14, pass to number 28. Number 28, dribble the ball. Still by number 92, pass to number 16. Number 16, delay up for 2 points. Inbound number 14. Pass to number 13. Number 30, dribble the ball. Number 30, pass to number 20, Ramos. Pass to number 28, last 10 to shoot. Number 5, jump shot. No good. Number 08, Guerrero. Outside. Timeout, Poldo Cicoteam. Inbound, number 20. Pass to number 4. Number 4, no good. Tiram is back. Number 40, Solis. Pass to number 10, jump shot, no good. Oh. Number 5, foul. First personal foul. Foul.
Hindi naman. Buba na. Buba.
Two shots foul throw. Most of the time. No good. That's one shot to Paltrow. No good again. Outside. Pier 16, team ball. Number 08, Guerrero. Dribble the ball. Guerrero, 10 to shoot. Still, pero magagawa pa rin. Number 8, foul. First personal foul. Poldo 5, team ball. Number 14, pass to number 14. Solis. Pass to number 1, back to number 14. Pass to number 14, jump shot, no good. Number 14 again, Bosogan, pass to number 1, jump shot, no good again. Wala ng pure 16 team ang bola, number 16. Binabala ang bola. Remaining time last 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Score 32-18 in favor pa rin ng pure 16 team. Number 14, Bosogan for 2 points.
Under 14, delaying ka din.
Delaying. Warning for number 14 for delaying the game. Number 16, Utelio, pass to number 4. Dom, jump shot, no good. Only Dom ang bola for 2 points. Rebound number 10, pass to number 20, Ramos. Ramos, pass to number 14. Number 14, back to number 20. Number 20, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 4. Nakakuha ng foul kay number 14. Number 14 warning to foul out. Number 08. Binaba ng bola. Pass to number 4. Number 4 jump shot. No good. Nakakuha ni number 40 ang bola. Solis. Pass to number 20. Number 20 Ramos. Binaba ng bola. Ipinasa kay number 14, Mercado. Time to shoot. Solis dribble the ball. 5 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 08. Pass break to number 5. One time. For 2 points. One time. Number 10. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Dribble the ball. Foul. Number 0. Number 8 na. 08. Second personal foul. Time out. Pure 16 team. Is brought to you by
Span Asia Carrier. We work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37. Our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel and Span Asia 53. Powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
in favor of pure Nawali number 20 ng Pagdosigo team. Number 20 Ramos. Diretso na. Pound. Counter. Number 20. Second. Personal foul. One shot to Padro. No good. Nakuha na ng first 16 team ang ball. Number 22, Shason. Pass to number 14, Corsayas. Inamat. No good. Rebound by number 20, Paulo Sigo team. Pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to number... Only number 69, pass to number 5. Jump shot. No good. Oh, foul. Who's foul, right? Number 5. Number 5, warning to foul out. Okay, inbound. Number 22, pass to number 14, Corsanias. Jump shot in number 01, no good. Rebound by number 88. Cortel, pass to number 5, Luciano. Jump shot, no good. Number 01, pass to number 14, Corsanias. Corsanias, jump shot. Nakakuha ng foul. Hanspo. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Score 36-22. Lamang pa rin ang Pure 16 team. Number 20, third personal foul. One point. Wala sa tirang punch round. That's one shot. No good. Rebound by number 20, Ramos. Ramos. Sinalaksa. Tinira, no good. Nakuha ni number 88. Oh! Foul. Number 20. Number 20, third personal foul. Penalty. Penalty. No good. Substitution, Brad. Ah, wala. No good. Number 4, pass to number 14, still sana pero outside. Oh, substitution. Rep. He's down, number 22, pass to number 14. Number 09, foul. Second personal foul. Number 14, pass to number 4. Jump shot. No good. One at number 5. Oh, still by number 22. Shots on. Jump shot. No good. Only number 01. Outside. Polgo 5, team ball. Shout out kay Banta. Number 5, Luceño. Pass to number 88. Number 88, dribble the ball. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 5, Luceño. Luceño. Pass to number 88. Time to shoot. Troubling violation. Remaining time, last 33 seconds. Number 22, Shasson. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 20. Number 20, nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 69. Pass to number 40, Solis. Pass to number 5, jump shot for 2 points. Last 17 seconds. Outside, same ball. Even tatandaan. Inbound, number 4, 10 seconds. Number 22, pass to number 14. Foul. Number 88. Second personal foul. Last 6 seconds. The score 37-24. Labang pa rin ang Pure 16 team. 38-24. One point again. Number 69. 09, pass to number 5. The end of the third quarter. And crucial game. Okay, back to the ball game. Keeps and goes. Okay, back to the ball game.
Dalawa pa, idol. Dalawa. Time out. Thank you, boss.
Inbound, number 14, pass to number 09. Number 09, back to number 14. Boss the back. Pass to number 20. Inangat. No good. Nakuha ni Boss Atang ang bola. Number 14. Pass to number 13. Number 14. Jump shot. No good. Number 18, pass to number 92. Oh, still the number 09. Foul. Who's foul? Number 18. Number 18.
Second foul.
Second personal foul. Inbound, number 10. Pass to number 09. Number 30, jump shot. No good. Ako ni number 10 ang bola. Oh. Nabitawan outside. Pure 16, team ball. Number 30, Dorano. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Pass to number 92. Number 92, Black with number 20. Number 20, pass to number 10, Paulo Cinco team. Pass to number 30. Oh! Di naabutan. Pure 16, team ball. Inbound, number 30. Pass to number 18. Number 18. No good. Number 14, pass to number 20. Number 20, Ramos. Dribble the ball. Ramos, jump shot. No good. Outside. Pure 16, team ball. Inbound, number 30, pass to number 18. Pass break to number 14, Corsanes. Sinangat. No good. Number 30 ang bola. Pass to number 14. Basatan. Oh! Napitawan ang bola. 30. Gorano. Pure 16 team. Pass to number 14. Back to number 30. Number 30. Still pay number 30. Paulo Cinco team. Number 14. Oh! No good. Nakuha na yung number 29. Pass to number 92. Time out! Paulo Cinco team.
Foul number 9. Third foul number 9. Gusto ka kalikin eh.
Ano yan?
Madalas eh. Teka lang, wala pa si TJ.
Wait lang, wala pa si, si Boss TJ.
Ikaw commentator. Ano ba pangalan?
Wait lang. Wait lang. Ano pa natin? Okay, back to the ball game.
Shoutout nga pala kay Patrick, yung timer namin. Magandang gabi sa'yo.
Pwede ba ako commentator na DJ?
Pass to number 21, Yama.
Nagko-commentator ako.
Walang foul. Number 30. Foul number 30.
Foul on number 30. Shilney Barzana. First foul.
Rebound number 21. Pass to number 14. Ako ni number 18. Tattoo on. Jump shot. So good. Ako ni number 69. Pass to 68. Isip naman ni number 21. Kiawa. Jump shot for 2 points.
Job Chama with a zigzag.
Rowie.
Number 5. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 14.
Sab kayo na? Sab na. Sab, boys. May ano kayo ah.
Substitution, Brad. Knocking po tayo.
May complimentary ticket kayo sa FIBA.
Wala to.
Wala?
Wala po yun.
Remaining time at 16 and 33 seconds.
Wala, di ko alam. Kaya hindi na ako bayaran din.
Here's 16.
Sabi ko, pa-experience lang ako.
Number 30, Ryan, pass to number
Tagal ko
14.
na nire-request ko kuya ka.
Number 14, pass to number 21, jump shot. No good.
Hindi ka po.
Ako ni number 30, pass to number 5, Lucenio.
Di ba kasama ko si kuya ko?
Jump shot. Left to number 21. Ako ni number 30, pass to number 16. Lucenio.
Ewan ko kilala mo si Sal.
Pass to number 14, Inaba. For 2 points by number 14. Inbound number 69, pass to
Akala mo,
number
pupunta ka lagi
14.
sa shooting.
Pass to number 5.
Wala na lang kabayo.
Set.
Tama.
Time out. Time out. Huwag mo na i-commercial. Shoutout nga pala sa mga Alpha Cokes. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Gusto ko ang mga pagkatao nyo.
Takano, baka nagmura ka.
Isang magandang gabi rin. Wala sa'yo. Supervisor Dong Ramos.
Didinig yan dun. Oo, dinig.
Supervisor Dong Ramos, ano masasabi mo po sa takbo ng laro bilang isang referee?
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Mga kapisa.
Isa na lang.
Inbound number 16, pass to number 13, Corrado back to number 16. Number 16, pinabala ang bola. Eleuterio. Back to number 13, Corrado. Sumalaksak. Jump shot for 2 points by number 13. Inbound number 69. Pass still by number 16, Eleuterio. Jump shot. No good. Follow up. Foul. Number 69.
First foul.
Number 69, first personal foul. One point mula sa tirang Paltero. Last one shot to Paltero. No good. Nakuha pa rin ng first 16 team, Corsarias, no good. Number 5, Lucenio, dribble the ball. Pass to number 10, jump shot. No good. Inbound number 18, pass to number 16, pass to number 30. Lorano, pass to number 21, Tiama. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 5.
5 foul.
Number 5. Foul out.
Umukuti-kuti ito.
No good.
Ayan. 3 lang, tol.
Let's watch him, the power. No good again. Nakuha pa rin ang Pier 16 team ang bola. Number 21, pass to number 14, Corsanes, sinangat for 2 points.
250.
Hey. Number 14, pinababa ang bola. Number 14, Mercado, dribble the ball. Pass to number 14, jump shot. No good. Oh, jump ball. Aldo Cinco, team ball. Same ball.
Ilan pa tayo sa akin doon? Ilan pa tayo sa akin?
Inbound, number 14. Pass to number 69. Pass to number 30. Number 30, jump shot. No good. Only number 16. Pass break to number 14. Corsanes for 2 points. Remaining time, last 4 minutes. Last 4 minutes.
Di pwede pumasok agad! Di pwede pumasok!
Still by number 21. Pass to number 18. That's you on. That's you on. Pass to number still number 69. Pass to number 14. Number 13. Still there, the number 13. Dorano. Pass to number 14. Binigay kay number 16, Leterio, for 2 points. Time out! Aldo Cinco team.
Kaya mo ka ba?
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessels. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Number 1, pass to number... Good. Still number 09, pass to number 20. Still by number 22, shots on, pass take to number 5. One shy for 2 points. Number 09, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 14. Number 14, pass to number 10. Jump shot, no good. Number 88 pala. Number 14, jump shot, no good again. Rebound by number 22, Shasson. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Pass to number 5, back to number 22, jump shot, no good. Now on the number 88, Ola. Aldo Cinco team. Number 88, jump ball, Pierce and Kimball. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Inbound, number 20, pass to number 08. No good. Only number 88. Oh my God. You're 60. Hello. Last 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Number 22, pass to number 5. One chai. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 08. Guerrero. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 5 again. One chai. No good. Tira on his back. Only number 28. Pass to number 20. Ramos. No good. Number 08, pass to number 5. Number 5, one chai. One chai. No good. Until on his back. Again. One chai. No chai lại nào. Nghỉ chỗ này tôi ngoài là. Still by number 22. Number 5, one chai. No good. Number 22. Number 5, one chai again, one chai. No good! Nakuha ni Gonzalez pa rin ang bola. Turn to shoot. One time. No good again. No good. One number 88. Last 52 seconds. Number 08 still. Guerrero.
Sige na!
Number 5, one time, no good. Number 20, Ramos, pass to number 14, Boss Adan. For 2 points.
Jai, sa kabila naman! Jai, dito sa kabila!
Number 08, Guerrero. Pass to number 5, one time. No good. Again, one time.แล้วจังลงมา No good. วางใจไปแล้ว Naubos yung toke, walang ticket. For 2 points by number 1. Number 10 seconds. One time, big shot, jump shot. No good. Still